Study is an important part of your life, and learning how to manage your study and developing good study habits will help you study effectively and maximize your learning from wherever you are studying, be it school or coaching or university. So, without any further ado, let's get into the video which talks about top 8 scientific study tips which will help you study effectively. The first step is studying for 30 minutes and taking a break. It's scientifically or technically called a Pomodoro technique, in which you have to set a timer for 30 minutes, wherein you will study for 25 minutes and will take a break of 5 minutes. In that 5 minutes, you can stretch your body, have some water, get freshen up, and again go back to study. So this will help you to retain things in a better way. Second one is setting a time for a specific task or subject. This will train your brain to set a routine for that specific time. Say you're getting up at around 4:30 in the morning and you are focusing on your theoretical subject, and you're doing this for 21 days. Believe me, every formula will work, every trick, every tip will work only when you take actions for it. So go try it for 21 days and tell me in the comment section below if this has really affected you or not. Third one is avoid using highlighter or just stop highlighting, because researchers have proved that this is ineffective way and it does not improve your understanding of topics and doesn't help you to link key concepts together. So what's the solution for this? You can use flashcards instead. I know this is not possible for every subject and for every chapter. So you can do one thing. You can write for those subject or those chapters which you find difficult to memorize or difficult to learn. This will be effective for you. Fourth one is setting goals for a specific subject or major topic. Now that you have decided which subject and which chapter you will be studying now, you will have to make sure that what are the major topics and what are the major subtopics, minor subtopics that it contains, so that you can divide your time according to that. Fifth one is explain more rather than testing. Like, stop giving more and more tests, start explaining more, because when you explain a particular topic, your brain automatically arranges the information related to that topic in a logical and a coherent structure, which helps you to retain even more better rather than giving tests. Fine, I'm not saying giving tests are wrong, but when you explain more, you retain more. This is the simple funda. Sixth one is writing what you have explained. Do it because this will not only improve your writing speed or writing skill, but will also help you to understand what are the core concepts that you have studied and what are the major and minor points that you will have to remember from the exam's point of view. Do it and give it a try, because this will definitely help you. Seventh is finding your own style of studying. See, some enjoy and understand better by watching YouTube videos, some by learning with friends, and some by studying alone. So find your own style. Even find at what time you are studying. Are you a morning person or you are a night person? When you do it, when you are sure about it, like I am a morning person or I am a night person, you study even more effectively. And when you are studying effectively, you are more confident about your studies. Eighth one is spaced repetition, and this might be new to everyone. It says don't study the entire topic the entire day. Read a specific topic, finish it, read another one, and come back to both the topics one by one. Maybe later or the next day. Go over the topics and switch to the next one. This is an effective way, and I have tried this and it's really effective in my case. So to be effective in your own case, try it and let me know in the comment section below. The bonus tip: practice self-reflection and mindfulness. Get into the habit of practicing self-reflection. Reviewing and reflecting on your own day, week, or activities can help you monitor your progress and keep you on track and make a conscious choice of whether you are committed to carrying out things properly or not. Ask yourself, did I get the task done? If not, why? What went well and why? What not went well and why? How can I do this better next time? So when you ask this question to yourself, you are more conscious towards your studies.